Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload short video on YouTube. So first, open your YouTube app, and then if you want to upload, tap on the plus icon at the bottom, and then tap on create a short. Now right here, you can record a video. You just tap this red button, or you can actually tap this gallery icon at the bottom left corner to upload your video. So right here, for example, I want to choose this one to upload this as a short. And then you just tap on done and wait for a few seconds until this video is processed. And then right over here, you can edit your video. You can add some sound or music right here. You can add a text. So for example, I'll put this word right here. You can change the color as well. And then tap on done. And also you can put some templates right here, or you just edit some filters right here. So you can change the filters of your video. Now, once you've done, you can now tap on next at the top right corner. And then here you can add details here on set visibility to public or private. So you can choose that one and you can select audience. So right here, and then right here, you can also edit some comments, or right here, you can choose this one. And then once you've done, you can upload short, wait for a few seconds until you upload it on your channel. Now on your PC or your computer, if you want to upload your short right here, just tap this camera icon right here at the top right. You can see create and then click this one and click this upload video. So you can just, then you can drag and drop right here the video that you want to add. So once you've done uploading the short video right here, you can also edit some details like the title description, title name right here. You can add thumbnails. You can set up your audience right here. And also here in description, you can add your hashtag, for example, this one. And then you can click this item right here, here on audience, and then show more. When you scroll down, you can see right here, you can allow to publish this video and notify your subscribers right here. And then if you scroll down again, you can see some details. And then click on next, you can add an end screen, click on next again, and then next. And then here on visibility, you can change it to private or public. So it depends on you. So once you've done, you can now publish your short video. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.